Freelancing has a million different paths. You can design, edit, write, or even provide a such type of a services. But when I started, I did not just follow the crowd. I wanted a skill that was in high demand, paid well, and was not oversaturated. That's when I found off-page SEO, a hidden gem in freelancing that businesses desperately need, but very few people talk about. And today I am finally revealing everything about off-page SEO. So here the question: what is off-page SEO? Why is it important? So boys, keep the notes. Let's start. So what exactly is off-page SEO? In simple words, it's everything you do outside a website to help it rank higher at Google. Most people think SEO is just about keywords and blog posts, but that's only half of it. Even if the website has the best content in the world, it won't rank unless other websites trust on it. So exactly, that's where off-page SEO come in. It's all about building trust and authority through things like backlinks, guest posts, and social media signals. So here's the second question. Who need off-page SEO and why? So who actually need off-page SEO? So almost everyone with a website. But here's the breakdown of most common people and businesses that rely on it. First group, businesses and e-commerce stores. They need off-page SEO to rank higher on Google to attract more customers. Group 2, bloggers and content creators. Higher ranking means more traffic, which leads to more revenue from ads and sponsors. Group 3, startups and tech companies. Many startups use SEO to get early traction and visibility in their industry. Group 4, local businesses. Companies like dentists, cafes, and gyms use local SEO to appear in Google Maps listing. Group 5, affiliate marketers. They need strong backlinks to get their content seen and generate commission sales. Without off-page SEO, even the best businesses can struggle to get noticed online. That's why companies are willing to pay freelancers and agencies big money to help them with it. Question 3. What do off-page SEO freelancers do? So if you are wondering how freelancers make money with off-page SEO, here are the main service businesses pay for. Number 1. Guest posting. Getting articles published on high authority sites with backlinks. Number 2. Link building. Finding and crafting high quality backlinks to boost visibility. Number 3. SEO content writing. Writing blog posts that naturally attract links. Number 5. Press release or digital PR. Getting companies featured in new outlets. The best part of this skill is you don't need to be an expert to start. Many freelancers start with just one services, like writing guest posts and then expand into full SEO strategies. Question number 4. Why I choose off-page SEO as my freelancing niche? So here, when I was picking my freelancing niche, I followed three simple rules. First, is there demand for this skill? Yes, businesses need SEO to get traffic. Can I start with little or no money? Yes, off-page SEO does not need, or you can start with only zero. Number 3. Is there room to grow and make more money over time? Absolutely. SEO specialists make thousands per month. That's why I choose off-page SEO. I started with guest posting and writing SEO articles. And now I learning how to scale my skills into full link building services. So here the most common question, which is question number 5. How beginners can start in off-page SEO in 2025. If you want to get in off-page SEO but don't know where to start, here the simplest way to start. Start with SEO content writing. Learn to write blog posts with SEO in mind. Offer guest posting services, pitch businesses to get there, learn link building strategies to earn backlinks, and then you can expand into full SEO services. Offer clients complete off-page SEO package. You don't need any fancy certificate, just a willingness to learn and experiment. The best way to start: create a sample guest post, build a small portfolio, and start reaching out to potential clients. We can cover all these topics in our next videos. So now you know what off-page SEO is and why I chase it as my freelancing niche. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Would you consider this skill? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see how I build my freelancing career step by step, hit that subscribe button. Let's see together. Thank you.